In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business plan with Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a structured plan you can share with your team, investors, or stakeholders using Grok's chat interface. First, open Grok AI. You can access it on the official Grok AI website or through the X app on your device. Use whichever is easiest for you. If you're on desktop, the website is straightforward and gives you more screen space for reviewing longer outputs. If you're on mobile, the X app is convenient for quick prompts and edits on the go. Next, open the Grok AI chat. This is where you'll type your business planning requests. Think of it like a conversation. You'll provide context, ask for structure, and then iterate on the results. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Everything happens in a single chat thread, so you can refine your plan without losing your place. By the way, I've placed a direct link to the website, and if you're using the app route, a download link for the X app right at the top of the description to make access simple. Now provide the key details about your business. Include your industry, target market, products or services, goals, and overall strategy. Be as specific as you can. For example, note your customer segments, geographic focus, business model, pricing approach, and short and long-term goals. The clearer your inputs, the more tailored and useful the plan will be. You can paste bullet points or a short paragraph. It doesn't need to be perfect. Once your details are in, ask Grok to create a business plan. Use a direct prompt like, "Create a detailed business plan for this business," or "Generate a business plan including an executive summary, market analysis, and strategy." Grok will build a structured plan using the information you provided. When the plan appears, take a moment to review it. Check that the executive summary reflects your vision, the market analysis matches your audience and competitors, and the strategy aligns with how you actually plan to operate. Make sure the tone, scope, and assumptions feel right for your stage. Idea, early launch, or growth. If something needs work, refine it. Ask Grok to expand sections, simplify the language, adjust financial projections, or tailor the plan to a specific audience. You can request more detail on marketing channels, operations, or milestones, and even ask for clearer formatting to make a presentation ready. That's how you can quickly create a business plan using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.